Kiran, what do you think are the significant things that have happened in the last 20 years?
You mean in the world or?
Yeah, in the world. In the world and the world around you.
I think increasingly it's becoming more and more dangerous is the feeling that you get, although that's not the actual reality of what is happening. And I think most of it can be attributed to the rise of media and the way communication is spread and the bad word is spread almost, or the negative news is spread much faster, leading to, I think, possibly the optimism around life is increasingly decreasing in this generation is my feeling. That's what I think is the biggest thing that has happened in the last 20 years that I can see.
Kiran, ever since you were born, what were the significant things that have happened?
I think the first thing that comes to mind is the pace of technology change has significantly been accelerating, and and definitely it's helped a lot with regard to a lot of mundane things have become a lot easier for all of us. So to me, if I were to reflect from 1970 to 2020, I would say that the most important thing is the technological change and the opportunities that it creates for human betterment is probably the most significant thing that I see.
Tell me, Kiran, about your accomplishments ever since you passed out of college.
So the word accomplishment is a word that I struggle with. That's why I was asking you earlier, what exactly do you mean accomplishment? I did a lot of things and some of them yielded results is the way I think about it, and it's a journey that continues. And so my orientation with that has really not been as much about an accomplishment and seeking to have it or something, but just making sure that I enjoy the journey and good things happen by virtue of that, or even if good things don't happen, you've enjoyed the journey, kind of a thing. So the fact that I'm having fun, I've been the most valuable thing that I've been able to do for myself is I've constantly been able to take on activities that I felt were meaningful from my perspective and from whatever the society that I'm working on perspective. So at different points of time, the problem was different that I chose to solve. Most recently, I started about 10 years ago, I started a company. The motivations for that were probably a few things. One is I wanted to try my hand at being an entrepreneur, and I've never been one, and it's something that was new to me, and I wanted to have that experience. The second thing is I was increasingly working with a lot of older people, and I wanted to work with much more younger people and have that excitement of shaping things rather than ambling towards retirement or something like that. And then lastly, there were areas where I felt that from technology and whatever business impact type of things, I could make a difference based on whatever skill sets that I've acquired. So we built this company, and it's definitely not a individual accomplishment. It takes a village for, especially an organization kind of a thing, and what I'm most proud of is the core team stuck around right from the beginning. I'd like to believe that all of us had fun doing that process through those 10 years. They continue to work with me, and hopefully we'll continue to work together. So the fact that we were able to start something, get a meaningful financial exit out of it, that helped many of us secure our financial futures to give us more freedom to do more impactful and useful things. And we have developed through this process highly marketable skills. So especially for the younger employees, they are very, very marketable in terms of the skill sets that they have developed, that they have long successful careers ahead of them, if you will. So I'd say that having impacted the youth that I work with and helping them create these successful careers and have fun while doing so, the financial impact that we had on our customers that we work with because of both the financially oriented commentary that our customers give, as well as the strong net promoter score kind of data that we gather about our customers. And lastly, the fact that we've been able to create a secure financial future for those of us who took the risks and put in the work, and we were able to meaningfully touch many people, I think is what I'm most proud of. At a personal level, I'm increasingly optimistic with the opportunities that are there. I don't think that those opportunities are there for everyone, and in that sense, when I make the comment about the lack of positivity, and what I'm trying to figure out is how do I use whatever I have in terms of abilities and resources and so on to maybe spread that positivity more. And for those who have good things, how to start with, be more thankful and figure out how to spread the goodness around is what is on my mind. It's nothing to do with the past 20 years. It's probably more personal stage of life type of comment of where I am and what I am thinking about.
Thank you.